Running a small business in New York City is both exciting and demanding. With more than 183,000 small businesses operating across the 5 boroughs, you're part of a vibrant community that keeps the city moving. But when it comes to managing your finances, New York's unique landscape brings some serious challenges that set it apart from anywhere else. Let's talk about why professional bookkeeping isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must for NYC small businesses. First, New York is known for its high operating costs. Between steep commercial rents, higher employee wages, and all the local permits and insurance, every dollar counts. One small mistake in your books can be the difference between profit and loss. Add to that the city's complex tax structure, with both state and city taxes to handle. Filing requirements double, deadlines multiply, and missing a single form or deduction can mean costly penalties. Trying to keep up with all of this on your own? That's where DIY bookkeeping can trip up even the most organized business owner. Common mistakes like misclassifying expenses, missing deductions, or forgetting to reconcile accounts can lead to fines, missed opportunities, and even trouble securing loans or investors. In a fast-paced and competitive market like New York, these errors can put your business at real risk. Professional bookkeeping services offer a solution. They help you stay compliant with ever-changing state and city regulations, so you avoid late filings and penalties. You'll have accurate records ready for tax season, making the process smoother and less stressful. Bookkeepers also give you a clear picture of your cash flow, helping you spot slow-paying clients or unnecessary expenses before they become problems. But it's about more than just avoiding mistakes. With clean, up-to-date financials, you can make smarter decisions for your business. You'll see what's working, where to cut back, and when it's the right time to grow. And perhaps most importantly, outsourcing your bookkeeping saves you precious time. Instead of getting buried in spreadsheets, you're free to focus on serving your customers and building your business. So, if you find yourself falling behind on your books, mixing personal and business expenses, or dreading tax season every year, it might be time to consider professional help. In New York City's challenging environment, having an expert by your side is an investment in your business's stability and growth. Let professional bookkeeping give you clarity, confidence, and the space to reach your goals.